CM, who do you think will be the next chief minister? आमी ऑगस्टा भितर पळयल्लें अदर्स तो ग्राफ आसा थंय 41% लोक आशिल्ले. आज अदर्सांक 2 months down the line 65% people are. The others graph has increased almost by 24%. Very interestingly, Manohar Parrikar was the immediate choice after others, and that was 12% last time. या खेपेक जर पळयत मनोहर पर्रीकर has come down by 5% to 6.3%. Lakshmikant Parsekar was the third choice as 10%. That graph has gone up, and Lakshmikant Parsekar is almost on 12%. His graph has gone up by 2%.
Others is all leadership crisis. There's no doubt about that. But the only big factor is Manohar Parrikar. Now, down the line, it looks like it has sunk into us that we can run this state without him. Maybe people feel that he is more required in Delhi.
One thing I will make clear, आमी हांगा ऑप्शन्स दिले नाशिल्ले. आमी लास्ट टायम हे सांगिल्लें, आमी ह्या क्वेश्चनाक ऑप्शन दिले ना. वी केप्ट इट ओपन हँडेड.
पार्सेकराची काम पळयात न्ही तर फाटले जर 5-7 म्हयन्या पयलीं पळयलें परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ एसेंब्ली, परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ एसेंब्ली लोकां कडेन किंवा कामाची ताजी ह्या खेपे खुबशें मोठें काम वाडलां. कॉमन लोकां कडेन तो केन्नाय फोन करून तो मेळटा. पर्रीकराचें कितें आशिल्लें तो काम खूब करतालो हें करतालो पूण लोकांक मेळनाशिल्लो.
People are saying is, look, the leader doesn't matter too much, but the political party matters, and that's why that 41% has become 65. Now, I agree with what they have said is that we've realized that Lakshmikant Parsekar is not such a bad chief minister after all. We can run the state without him, without Manohar Parrikar, and that's why his popularity is going up. But he's not seen as this, towering leader.
Vijay Sardesai is a new party. Taka CM ne datlo jayet, he must have at least 10 MLAs with him. That is what now Dhawaikar is trying. कळ्ळें न्ही CM जावपा खातीर.